My name's Matt Worswick from the Latymer restaurant at Pennyhill Park Hotel. What does success mean to me? Accolades are great, obviously. We've done really well so far. Michelin star 4 rosettes. That's recognition for the team. I suppose a busy restaurant as well. But it's not just my accolade, it's everybody's accolade. And that's the thing, to build a team and to see them being recognised and them to be successful as well. That's a big part in what we do, to train people up and to see them grow, flourish and do really well, right? So not just the accolades, but the team as well. So the dish I'm going to cook today is a vegan version of my chocolate delice. So the product that we're going to use today is a hazelnut LINNOLAT sort of cocoa butter. It looks like chocolate, it tastes like chocolate, but it's vegan friendly. You can use it in the same way. It's really, really stable. It's got a great flavour, really hazelnutty flavour. It complements the original dish anyway, which we use it in, but you can use it as a vegan. That's the main thing. So the dish will look the same and it will taste really great as well. So no substitution just because it's vegan. So the mise en place for this dish, we're going to make a hazelnut mousse. Again, vegan, using the cocoa butter from Ritter's. We're going to dip that in the glaze. Again, vegan friendly. So we're going to plate the dish, so we're going to put the dipped chocolate on the left-hand side of the plate. We're going to pipe in the barbecued apple puree, finish it with a bit of gold leaf. Then we've got a rochet of coconut sorbet on the side. And that's it, a vegan chocolate delice. So there we have it. We've got our hazelnut LINNOLAT chocolate delice, vegan friendly, and we serve it with a coconut sorbet as well.